Let's complete talking about data quality with uniqueness. Uniqueness measures the presence of unique values in a data set. It can help identify anomalies such as duplicated keys. Let's have a look at a hands-on code to understand this concept. You can find this code in the description of the video. First of all, I imported the pandas. Then I created a sample dataset with email addresses, and here I'm checking the uniqueness of the email column to ensure that no email address is duplicated in the dataset. Using the method duplicated, and if there is duplicated, I will just take the first result. As you can see here, all of them are false, so there is no duplicated emails. Then I calculated the uniqueness percentage using this formula, the sum method, then to divide by the length of the data frame. Finally, this is the output of the results. Uniqueness checks are commonly performed in various industries and use cases. Here are some of these use cases. For example, customer IDs should be unique, no duplicate customer IDs, email addresses, employee IDs, and vehicle identification numbers. When you have non-unique records in a dataset, it means that there are duplicate entries or records with identical key. So we need to deal with these records. There are some methods in Python to deal with this problem because it can cause data errors when we analyze the data. I will discuss those strategies in later videos.